Yeah. Good morning. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let me hop over to Goldie. Holy, there was some selling off this morning here. Not really sure what happened. Ooh, okay. So we got Goldie here. Just been moving down, really. The daily about to break the daily low. We're going to keep that in mind here. 4 hour pushing down. Won't have a 4 hour closure for another hour and a half, though. 1 hour pushing down. Trying to close kind of below this. You got your supports there. Yeah. Got your supports there, so if you get a closure below there, I don't know, looks kind of good. But you might need a closure below, a closure above, and then another closure below kind of thing. Just so we can have a fresh support to like sell off of. But yeah, honestly, overall, it looks good to come down. You do have daily zone down here that it has not tapped yet. So yeah, something to watch here today. It does look like it's just trending down. So really been in this downtrend for a while now. We'll see what happens, but got to get the closures that tell us which direction we want to go. Right now, bearish for sure. It's just a matter of if I want to take a sell this far down or wait for something to come back in and then so I can have a good stop loss, you know? Because right now, like, where's your stops going to be? Way up there? Can't do that. Can't do that. So, all right, let's go check out NQ. Also, I think GC's on a new contract now. GCZ, maybe? Is that what it was? Well, let me fix that on my other chart. GCZ 26. All right, let me check out NQ. So we did actually have a trade, but I was a little late coming to the desk. But yeah, this would have been the trade here. I was late coming to the desk, so I mean, it is what it is. Not our trade. But yeah. We had a 15-minute clean breakout. Made a top wick right into that area. And boom. And it was pretty quick too. Let me clear these. Okay, so daily again. Broke out of this huge daily range on NQ. And it's just been moving down ever since. There's really no like big zone to tap into. I mean, you kind of have this chop here a little bit on the daily. So I don't know, there's not much. I mean, we're there pretty much. But I'm just kind of watching what the 4 hour is doing right now. You've got that 4 hour resistance zone, 4 hour support here. We're kind of just watching. Yeah, I mean, 4 hour coming down, 1 hour coming down. See what we want to do here today, but we did get a previous 4 hour candle closing above the 4 hour range, at least down here. Yo, what's up, Ohio? Good morning. You need some upward movement? Heck yeah. Yeah, your 401k is down in the tubes, buddy. No college funds for the kids. They're going to have to get jobs. You're going to have to work a triple shift. But yeah, we got a 30-minute closure here coming in. About 30 seconds. As far as news goes, we do have news today, but not till 1:30. We got the FOMC stuff. So, yeah, we'll see. Oh, that's where the this is where that push came from. This is where this random volume candle came from. Apparently, Trump's talking about Iran. Let them keep talking, but we'll be hitting them. So, I guess that's why the price started going down. But yeah, not till like 1 o'clock. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. We did get a 30-minute closure here. Check out gold. So it broke the daily low. Trying to come back up. It even gapped down on the 30-minute. Wow. How am I today? I'm fantastic. Thank you. We're chilling. Ready to get after it, man. Ready for you guys to hold me accountable today. If I take a loss, you know, tell me to walk away, take some deep breaths. And at the end of the stream, make sure I lock out my accounts. Ready. But we're moving along nicely on the combines so far this week. Yeah, you did. Appreciate that. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, like I said, you did get a 30-minute breakout here on gold, technically, but it's just so overextended, you know? Pretty overextended down there. So, I mean, we kind of need, like, either something like this, maybe. Oh my gosh, where'd that come from? Closure below, maybe like this. And then the next candle is one of my favorite setups. You kind of get a wick up like this above. Then you get another one down below to sell. But that's kind of what I'm looking for. Maybe something like that. And then this would be breaking the daily lows. I really don't want it to the candle here to close above. 'Cause then, I mean, honestly, if we get a closure above, it might look good for buys then. So we're just gonna have to wait to see what the candle tells us. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. But that way, you know, you get a new resistance to kind of work off of. Because right now, like, my stops are above. They would just be above the current candle high, and it could just come up, wick me out, come down, you know, that type of thing. I'm old, my memory's bad. No, it's not. No. Oh, that's hot. We're just gonna be chilling here. We're gonna wait for something new to sell off of. Honestly, I'm curious about a 1 hour closure because you haven't had any 1 hour closure below that yet. You had a 30-minute. I mean, I'd be curious to see where if this 30-minute like closes above that, or if it closes right below, and then we do the same kind of thing we were talking about on gold, where it comes up, makes a wick, and then come back down. But either way, we gotta wait. There's nothing here. All right. I mean, we got a lot of candle left. A lot of time left on this one, but you know, this is kind of what I was looking for. If it closes like that below, and then the next candle makes that top wick, come back down. I think that looks good. How you doing today, Ohio? How's everybody doing? Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Sorry, man. How's your mom doing? Excuse me. Yeah, one day at a time, man. That's tough. All right, this is zooming right along here on gold. But like I said, a lot of candle left. Lots. Yeah. It's hard to tell what helps certain people with through things. Hard to tell. Yeah. Have to continue praying for him. Sure, that's hard no matter what. Got about, oh, excuse me. Got about 4 minutes for a 15-minute closure. Just a matter if we want to wait for the 30 or the 15. Man. Have to see if that daily wants to rip today. Got about 2 minutes for a 15-minute. Man, I got the yawns today. Need to wake up. All right, we did get a 15-minute closure. 15-minute closed above, though. So I think I'm going to wait for a 30. I'm going to wait another 15. Definitely. Wait for 8 o'clock. Definitely gonna wait. I think I'd rather have a fresh 1 hour, fresh 30-minute candle than just this 15-minute with all those still open. Yeah, I mean, you did get the closure back in, but yeah, I would rather see, like I said, on the 30-minute, this close below, and then the new 30-minute makes a top wick, and then we sell. But we'll see what we get. Either way, I'm waiting for the 1 hour to close before I do anything like that. Oh man, it's the waiting game today, man. Yeah, so this is like exactly what we're looking for on the 30-minute, kind of. Like for it to come up, make a top wick, and then come back down type of thing. But I would rather see that close below. Then Q up too. Same thing. Same type of thing. All right. Gotta wait another 8 minutes. 8 minutes, baby. All wick, no candle. Sorry, I'm looking at Dodge Vipers. Trying to figure out which one's best for us, you know? Most practical. These are the old ones. I like that one. Trying to figure out which ones I like. Yeah, that one sucks. Dang. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, that's kind of slick. That's not bad. Not bad. All right, we got another 6 minutes here. We'll see if we get what I was talking about or not. This is what I was talking about. Get a green candle here. Closes a little bit. I know I'm using blue, but something like this. Whoops. And then, yeah, that's bad. I really got to pay for this thing. And then we get something like this, you know. Boom. Don't worry about these drawings. But we'll see. We got to get that closure below, though. I don't know if I really... I mean, it's not bad up there. I mean, this is still closing bearish like that. Make a top wick, come down. 67 Chevelle SS. Let me check this thing out. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I like that. That's sick. Can I drive a stick? No, but I'll learn. I would learn for the right car. I've just never needed one. Never needed to learn before. So. Yeah, for the right one, I would learn for sure. That would be way more fun. Man, I want one of these. The Shelby GT500. That's what I want. Little GT500. Those are so nice. Man. Yeah, those are sick. Just like Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. Man, that car's sweet. Have to hear it to appreciate it. Yeah, I bet. Oh, man. That'd be sick. Yeah, one day. One day. Okay. I don't know if we're going to get it on gold. We got 2 minutes. Never know, but we may get it on NQ before gold. Kind of depends. Needs to close below though. Needs to close below. Got about 45 seconds here. And we're not going to get it on either one, I don't think. Yeah. We didn't get the closure on either one, but it still looks good to come down, in my opinion. To me, it looks good. Honestly, it looks good on gold and NQ, but yeah. Probably needs to come up a little bit, but I still don't hate an attempt from up here. Yeah, kind of up here.
Order filled.
I think we're gonna go for it here. I kind of like this spot. Just right in this chop here to come up, make a wick maybe. But we'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Me, it's worth a shot. Win or lose. Risk about 500 bucks. Yeah, those cars are sweet, man. Super sweet. Those old cars. They're awesome. Yeah, I think we're gonna, just in case this wants to make a bottom wick and come back up, we'll probably just aim down here for this zone. Do like a 1-to-1. Because I mean, this could just make a bottom wick and come back up. But either way, if this candle closes with below or something, that'd be nice too.
Order filled.
All right, W. Well, 500 times 4. Take that. Come on. Lovely. Yeah, that was fast. You remember how fast that was yesterday? That was so fast. All right, we're moving along. Moving along nicely. Yeah, that was extremely fast. That was crazy. Hold up. I wonder if it... Okay. Under 15 seconds. It was definitely under 15 seconds. 9 seconds yesterday. That's what it was. So in 9 seconds yesterday, we made two grand on the combines. Yeah, that was funny. Okay, so it's playing out exactly how I wanted. The only thing is it didn't come down here. But it's doing exactly what I was looking for. That's exactly what I drew out, just down here instead. So it wanted to come up and test not this area, but this area here. So the 1 hour area instead of like the 30-minute support down here. But I mean, to me, it was worth a shot pushing up into this chop, making a top wick first. I love that setup. Love it. But this is good now because now we have a brand new resistance if we get a closure, obviously. And again, like normally I hold stuff a little longer, but in this market, I'm just taking what I can get. Taking what I can get, man. But yeah, back in the day, I would have just held on to it and moved to break even and cut my risk and see what happens. But anytime we can be green is good. All right, so on the two other combines, we're only at about 2K profit, but the other ones were about 5,500. So, because I started a couple of them earlier, a little earlier than the others. But we're moving. We're green. All that matters. So we actually almost have a, I just calculated it. Well, ChatGPT just did. But we actually have a 73, almost a 73% win rate on stream, which is amazing. So we're doing it, man. We're doing good. I bring good luck. That's right. Yeah, so I don't know if I want to put that on the stream or not, like wins and losses and stuff like that, or not. I don't know. What do you think? Do like an overall thing? Yo, this song gets me every time. Ooh, ooh. Song gets me. I'll be right back. All right, we got a new 15-minute. Looks like. This thing look like. I mean, nothing there for me yet. Nothing for me yet. Nothing. Let me check on NQ. Okay, NQ, you didn't get the closure below, but now it's coming down. Kind of weird price action. Either way, we're waiting for 8:30 for sure. Definitely. Yeah, so this is kind of what I'm looking for. If we can somehow get this closure below, that looks a heck of a lot better to sell. Yeah, closure below there, and then we get a top wick, and boom. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Never know. Never know. Nah, don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. He's just testing. Just testing things. Testing it out. Yeah. $10. Get out of here. Yeah, we got about 9 minutes, and then hopefully we'll get some get some volume going. Get a little bit of volume going. Get out of here. Yeah, and the reason you want to be in and out of that trade that I was in, you know, from up here, is because you're getting closer to 8:30. And what have I told you guys before? Like, before 8:30, it gets a little dicey. Gets a little dicey, man. It could go down, go all the way back up, break these, break the lows, like, because people are putting in their orders for this, trying to get lucky at 8:30. 100%. Because I used to be one of them a lot. And you can. That's what makes it tough, is like you can gamble and get lucky at 8:30, but it's not worth it. Our plan isn't gambling. I mean, like, if you have an abundance and you want to just test it out once or twice, like every now and then, then be my guest, but it's just not worth it in the long run for me. It's part of your plan. It's part of your plan. Wait and see what happens. Now, if we get a closure at 8:30, like in our setups there, I'm definitely going to take it. But like, if I'm just trying to get lucky, then no.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
All right. Got about 3.5 minutes before we should see some volume. We should.
I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
All right, we got about 2.5 minutes here. See if we get a closure below or not. I'm just kind of looking for, I mean, a bearish closure is good, but if we can get it lower, a little bit lower, I think that looks good. 8:30 is a little dicey sometimes, so we'll see what we want to do here. We're already green for the day. We don't need to do anything, but I mean, if it sets up, I don't mind it. I don't mind taking stuff. That's what we're here for, man. Execute on the plan. So if the plan shows up, what are we gonna do? Make sure we execute. So you never got the 1 hour closure below on NQ. 15-minute pushing up. Yeah, I don't think there's anything there for me. All right, we got about 45 seconds for probably a lot of volume, I would imagine. There's usually some volume going on. 8:30. But I mean, 4 hour is kind of tapping into that zone. 1 hour already coming down. I mean, this could come up with no bottom wick there. Yeah, I mean, I'm not interested in sells now. It kind of looks good to come up, honestly. Maybe see it break one more time, the lows, and then set it for, yeah. We'll see, man. We'll see. Maybe. I'm gonna delete for now. Man, NQ is just rolling down. Dang. See what we got going on here. It's just like not coming up as fast as I would have liked. And honestly, this could break the daily lows just to mess with some people again. Honestly. So I don't know if we want to do that anyways. See what we're feeling here. Maybe if it breaks those daily lows, then I'll do it. Maybe. Yeah, I wanted sells, but I'm open to buys. I'm open to it. Never broke the lows. Yeah, it respected that daily low there for now. At least for now. NQ back up. NQ back up big time. So broke all these lows, sent it straight back up. Man, look at this chop fest. I'll be right back. Give me a second. All right. Yeah, so we would be in right now if we just did it on the flip of that candle, and we would just be just chilling here with nothing going on. So we kind of need to wait to see if like maybe this 15-minute candle closes above that range. Something like that. Got about 4 more minutes still. Got about 3 minutes. We check on NQ. See what's going on. Dude, see, it like came down, broke the lows first, went all the way up there, and now it's rejecting back down to almost that same spot. Makes it real tough to trade here. It's pretty tough. Dang. What a roller coaster. What a roller coaster. Jeez. These 5-minute candles. Insane. That's actually crazy. All right, we got about a minute. About another minute. So. See what happens here. Looks like it's kind of slowing down, maybe. Could be good for a buy. If it closes above, then possibly. Possibly. All right. Little gap below, however. It did close above. But, yeah, I don't know. How about that? I don't know about all that. Could come back up. Might be worth a shot. I don't know. I just feel like it wants to break that other low, though, again. You know what I mean? That daily low. Possibly. Definitely don't want it to be one of those things where we get wicked in and then it shoots down. Just a little extra cautious at the moment.
Dream of it when I lie awake. I know it's out there, I'll be waiting. I dream of it when I lie awake. Space between my head and my heart is slowly fading.
I mean, 4 hour is tapping into that zone. Did tap into that zone. I just don't want to be too early here either.
Take me away.
Oh, I gotta sneeze.
When I
Woo! Man.
out there, I'll be waiting. Dreamt it when I lie awake. I know it's out there, I'll be waiting. I dreamt it when I lie awake. Space between my head and my heart is slowly fading. I dream of it when I lie awake.
Part of me wants to take an impulse buy, like when it breaks, if it breaks the daily lows here.
Take me away. I'll be waiting. Take me away.
Yeah, maybe if we get a bullish closure above here now, might look good to come back up. We'll have to wait 10 minutes though. We got a 4 hour closure coming in about 10 minutes, so it's a big closure. We don't want to be anything in anything right now. That's for sure. Yeah. If I would have been in that, I would have got wicked in and just been chilling here and draw down a little bit with no movement. So, with nothing going on. Got to see some sort of closure in our favor. Okay, so it broke the daily lows, barely, but it did. Wow.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring
Nasdaq cruising down again.
arrow, waiting for the final gates to open to a new
It's flirting with this daily low. It's kind of in a good spot there, though. Yeah, so it broke. It did break. But like I said, I was almost interested in like an impulse buy from down here. No lie. No lie. Got about 6 minutes left. Pretty sure Nasdaq is just going down. Yeah. Pretty much. Yeah, I mean, so these would be the daily lows down there. Get rid of these. Just going down, man. Jeepers. Crazy. Ohio's gonna have to start selling his vehicles soon. Holy moly. Honestly, that's the best way to do it. Just don't look. Too many people get caught up on like every day. They're like, oh my gosh, it's down 5% today. I gotta get out. And it's like, what are you talking about? Like the market goes up and down, man, over the years. That's what happens. And over the years, it just basically goes up. So you know what I hate? I hate trying to explain to people what I do for a living. I need to come up with something good because it's really annoying to explain to people. Like, I just don't want to anymore. I'm just going to start telling them I'm unemployed. Yeah, exactly. gets exciting, but then it's like, it was just like crypto. It got exciting, and then like it tanked, and then it wasn't exciting anymore. But like at least this just like kind of bounces back. But yeah, it is in kind of a shambles. So this is the monthly. This is the weekly. Yeah, I mean, so on the weeks, it just, you know, keeps going. But, I mean, we had those big runs up. So, I mean, it could realistically drop back down to like 26,700 or so. And then maybe create a support. If we look at, you know, the higher time frames. But yeah, I'm tired of telling people what I do for a living, honestly, because they don't understand, and then they're just like, "You think the silver price is gonna go back up soon?" And I'm like, "Bro, I don't know. If I knew that, I'd buy a bunch." I'm not a psychic. Also, I don't trade silver, and I don't like. It's just not what you think. I guarantee it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna come up with a new system to tell people what I do. Yeah, I have some online businesses. I'm an online entertainer. That's what Max and I were talking about. I'm an online male entertainer. Excuse me? You do what now? Okay, so yeah. It broke those daily lows down there. I'm done watching. No. No. Don't be done. Don't be done. But seriously, people don't understand, and I don't know how to explain it to them that great, to where they're not glazing over. Their eyes just aren't like, huh? All right, so we got 10 seconds here for a 4-hour closure. But again, this could come back up. It did tap into those zones down there. So, it did. It's NQ up too. Same kind of thing. 4-hour close to bearish. Did close bearish. Looks kind of good. Looks kind of good to go down. Honestly. Yeah, tapping off this maybe. Or up here. That's the problem, is you just don't know how far up it wants to go. You just never know. You just have to decide, like, what's worth a shot to you. Like, where is it worth taking the shot at? It's tempting. Not bad. You only get one shot, one opportunity. Exactly. You get one shot, one opportunity. Yeah, see? Could have been in, and then it just boop, boop. I mean, it's a new 4 hour. It's a new 1 hour. Looks pretty good though. Does look pretty good. We'll see. We'll check back. We'll check back in on it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to bounce back to buy at this point. I think just the sells are... I don't know. If it does, it'd be here breaking that daily low again just to like come back up. I mean, you're in this zone here too. So I could see it coming back up. It just looks like it's struggling. Little struggle. Only get one shot, one opportunity. That's right. Looks pretty good though. At least come down and make a wick. Don't know if I trust this top wick being done. That's the hard part, is if there's not like a clear zone to like bounce off of. Like, of course you have like this, you have this, you have this area here. You just never know which one is going to hit. I mean, on the higher time frame, the 4 hour, that looks good to like smack into that level there and then come down. So that could be it. Could be, could be. Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty good. I mean, you got both of these, no wicks here. Could be a good area. Could be, could be. Kind of rolling, no top wick. I mean, no bottom wick. It could come up to like here too. It could. Yeah, at those wicks, or the no wicks. I think we'll take a shot here. If it comes back up. If it does. Doesn't, it doesn't. Not worth being in it if it doesn't get to where I want on the second bounce. Beautiful rejection on the 5 minute. There it goes. There she goes. Gold's still just kind of hanging around, going down slowly. Hanging around the daily lows. And again, it is kind of in this 4-hour chop fest down here. So this could be an area that it does turn around. Got to get some sort of confirmation though. Got to get something. One shot, one opportunity. Crazy. I'll be right back. All right, we got about 3 minutes or so for a 15-minute closure. Don't know if there's anything that we're, see, breaking the daily lows. There's just no follow through there. For real. Kind of nothing. I remember you used to break the daily lows and it would just like, whew. Not anymore. Not anymore. Just flirting with these daily lows, man, over and over. Got about another minute and 10 seconds for this 15 minute. So far, gold is just going down slowly. Not really doing anything crazy, just going down slow. Slow and steady. All right, 10 seconds here. Ten seconds. All right, here we go. New 15 minute. Does it want to turn around down here? Maybe, maybe. Maybe, maybe. I'd like to see this come down, make a wick, and maybe shoot back up. Possibly. All right, we'll see what happens here. Kind of looks good to go up. Does kind of look good. This broke the daily lows. See how that wants to shake out. If that 4 hour was just making a bottom wick there, or if it truly wants to go down. There's your 15-minute rolling up. I'll probably wait for this 9:30 candle here in 10 minutes, and then we'll dip if there's nothing. I think we'll probably just dip anyways. But we'll see. Either way, I have to leave here at about 9:40 this morning. I got an appointment this morning. So either way, we'll have to call it. I just kind of want to see how this plays out here below this zone here. See what it's doing.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
I'll be right back. Still going up, huh? Okay. Still going up here. We got on NQ. Same thing. Kind of chilling. Not going up as high as gold is. Broke the daily lows. Yeah, it might struggle in this area here. We'll see. We'll see. We got about 5 minutes here. Five minutes. Yeah. What was that? Yeah, we got about 5 minutes.
I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I'm cursed by every day till my time is gone. I've never felt this way before, and now I know this all for sure. I won't forget your last betray. I'll never forget this day.
Yeah, I mean, could be that area where it comes up. Could be. Could be.
I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day. I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I'm cursed by every day till my time is gone. I've never felt this way before, but now I know this all for sure. I won't forget your last betray. I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day.
All right. Got 2 minutes. 30-minute closure. All right, last 30-minute candle here for us. See how it goes.
Like devotion, empty notion. Like a roar
I like the spot to turn around though.
and slow in motion.
If it is, I don't hate it. I don't hate this, man. Come back. I don't hate it. Hoping for a little lower wick though, but not bad. Not bad.
Order filled.
Take a shot at it. Take our shot. Four hour pushing up, 1 hour, 30. Get rid of that epic pen. Yeah, I kind of have to go here to today as well. Unfortunately. Yeah, I have to go here. I'm just gonna
Order
skate
filled.
out with a little bit of profit. I didn't realize what time it was. All right, we'll take that though. We'll take that. All right. Appreciate you guys. Heck yeah. We'll take that. I mean, it still could work out. I just don't want to be in a trade while I'm leaving. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right, so it's time to lock out. Time to lock out. Before we go, we lock out of all of our accounts. Make sure we don't trade Asian session. Don't want to be trading tonight. Do not. Take that one day at a time. One day at a time, man. Did our job here today. Another $2,000 for the combines. All right. All right. Let's pray. Father, I just thank you so much for today. Thank you for the ability to come in here and be disciplined to our plan and end up with a green day here. We just thank you for creating this community and this stream, and that you're not only helping me, but hopefully helping others. And we just give you all the glory, and we know that all good comes from you, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you, Ohio. We're going to call it there. I got to get rolling for this appointment. So appreciate you guys, man. We'll catch you tomorrow. All right.